Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on App Store on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to hide any app from App Store, so let's see how you can do this. Basically in Android there's Play Store which will work like our App Store in Android phone. So just open it and here search for the app or game which you want to hide. As I'm going to search for a game, just search for it. And here's the game which we have searched for. Now I'm going to hide it. Here you just have to look for the rated for option. Here's a 12 plus. So just remind it. Now go for your profile. Then go for settings. Settings, look for family. Open it. Then select parental controls. Here you can see the settings has been disabled. You must have to enable it. Just tap on it. And here you have to create a pin which you can remind or not forget. You just have to create, as I'm going to create this one, then tap on OK, then confirm pin, and after that tap on OK. And you can see parental control is done. Now you just have to select apps and games, tap on it, and here's in the setting you just have to select for which you want to remove or hide. As I'm going to select 12 plus, select it, or you want to select all of the select rated for 3 plus. In this way many of the apps will be hidden from your Play Store app. Then tap on save, and that's done. Now look for the app, search, then search, and here you just have to search for the same app, search for it, and here you can see that there's no any app just like that. So that's how you can easily hide any app from App Store or Play Store on Android. If you want to disable the settings, just go for settings and here select family, then parental control, and here you just have to disable the setting. Just enter the pin, and after that the setting must be turned off, and that's how you can easily hide apps on App Store and Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.